In this video, I'm going to answer a very common Discord question. Can you change your Discord email without verification? The short answer is no, you cannot. Discord requires verification for account security, and that means you must verify the email connected to your account before you can change it. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Discord tutorials. Now let's break down exactly why this is the case. Discord uses verification to make sure nobody else can take over your account and change important information without permission. Your email address is one of the most important parts of account security, so Discord protects it with verification steps. That means if you try to change your email, Discord will ask you to confirm the current email first. In other words, you need access to the old email address in order to make the switch. There is no official bypass, no hidden setting, and no safe workaround that lets you skip verification. If you see videos or websites claiming otherwise, be careful, because those methods are not official and can put your account at risk. The safest thing you can do is log into the email account currently linked to Discord, find the verification message from Discord, and complete the confirmation process. Once that is done, you can update your email normally in your Discord account settings. If you do not have access to the old email anymore, your best option is to go through Discord support and explain the issue. They may ask for account details or proof of ownership before helping you recover access. So to summarize, you cannot change your Discord email without verification, because Discord requires the old email to be confirmed first. That security step is there to protect your account from unauthorized changes. If you found this useful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Discord help, fixes, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.